What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. Who wants a book with over 200 pieces of artwork and technical drawings about Star Trek The Next Generation? Make it so. I just ordered this book because I was cruising Amazon and I didn't even know it existed. It is the Star Trek The Next Generation U.S.S. Enterprise NCC 1701D Illustrated Handbook. Captain Picard ship from Star Trek The Next Generation. Booyah, this is brand new, wrapped in plastic. Looks like it's hardcover. Didn't even know that it was. I'm just going to open it nice and gently here to keep this thing in absolutely mint condition. Or as we say, condition mint. All right, so beautiful black book would make a perfect coffee table book. Pretty thick here. And let's just go ahead and see what this thing... Oh, yes! Oh, the gray night sky. Look at that, man. Woo! What a beautiful piece of artwork. Well, we're going to see a lot of that. Illustrated handbook. Lots of stuff. Exterior, propulsion system, bridge, torpedoes, engines, work pods, phasers. Design lineage, construction history. Wow! Man. What I love about this is all the photos from various episodes, but then all sorts of artwork that, you know, and schematics that I haven't seen. Some of the stuff I've seen, it's familiar, like from the Star Trek Next Generation technical manual, like this picture here, which is in there, but it wasn't in color. So it's a totally different angle on stuff. Look at that. Really cool. I love the Next Generation technical manual, but man, I could spend just a ton of time with this because this full color is just immersive. Look, if you grew up with Star Trek The Next Generation, love that crew, love that ship, man, I think you have to get this book. I am stunned. This thing is just jam-packed with stuff. Look at this, even the holodeck here. I cannot wait to dig into this. And I love the fact that there appears to be just a truckload of content in it. So, hey, I will put a link to this in the description. Obviously, it's not cheap. Oh, hey, there's the ensign that from that episode where Geordi used the atmosphere to reveal the probe and destroyed it. I can't remember her name. I think she's like half Japanese. I've seen her in a bunch of other stuff too. She really overacted in that scene, but I love her. She's adorable. Anyway, pick it up. Link in the description below. Peter Von Panda. Out.